Deep Pore Reset Detox Full Blackhead Removal Skin Recovery Transformation. Sometimes your skin doesn't need another routine, it doesn't need another product, it needs a reset. Days, weeks, sometimes months of buildup sit quietly inside your pores, and no matter what you apply on the surface, the skin doesn't improve. In today's treatment, we are not just cleaning, we are resetting the skin completely. What is a skin reset? Unique concept. A skin reset is different from a normal facial. It focuses on removing long-term buildup. Not just surface dirt. Over time, your skin collects oil, dead skin cells, pollution, product residue. All of this creates layers inside the pores. A reset clears these layers and brings the skin back to its natural state. Signs your skin needs a reset. Not all skin problems are visible immediately, but your skin gives signals: dull appearance, rough texture, frequent blackheads, uneven tone. These are signs that your pores are overloaded. Step 1. Deep Cleansing Initiation. We begin with a deep cleansing phase. This removes surface oil and prepares the skin. But this is just the beginning, because the real buildup is deeper. Step 2. Steam penetration. Steam is applied slowly. This is not just to open pores, it helps soften layers of buildup that have been sitting inside for a long time. The skin begins to loosen and prepares for detox. Step 3. Full extraction detox. Core step. Now the reset begins. We start removing blackheads and deep buildup. Some extractions come out easily, others show how long they have been trapped. Each pore we clean is a layer removed from the past. This is not just extraction, this is detox. Step 4. Balance restoration. After removing buildup, the skin needs balance. If not balanced, it will go back to the same condition. So we focus on oil control, hydration, skin barrier repair. This step ensures long-term results. Step 5. Recovery phase. Now the skin enters recovery. This is where healing begins. Calming treatments reduce redness, and the skin starts to feel lighter. Final transformation, premium feel. Look at the skin now. It's not just cleaner, it's reset. The pores are clear, the texture is smooth, the skin feels fresh again. This is what happens when you don't just treat the surface, but reset the foundation. Final message, deep unique. Skincare is not always about adding more, sometimes it's about removing everything that doesn't belong. Your skin knows how to heal, you just have to give it a fresh start. If you enjoyed this deep pore reset, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more blackhead removal, pore detox, and skincare transformations, stay connected.